no hype when nobody can give me on social media. I go up on social media and address issues where we analyze. Now, give God the glory. The little youth and my son, I make sure I post him today so the world can know it's not a guess and spell thing. Zin? And my youth. Zin? So this today now have nothing to do with the youth. Zin? This have everything to do with me. I am tired of helping people, and when them reach them, feel like them reach their heights of maximum clarity, me are the first person them try this. Me tired of it. Now, people in this, you might hear my father name mentioned certain time, but this live is not about my father. Zin, this live is not about my father. Right now, my father got him thing, and him have him own problem. But the only reason why my father name I got call, because some of the situation that I got mention directly involve my father. Today, I not hold back nothing. I got just talk. Whether legal or illegal, I got just talk. Since everybody attack, and I try to make Foota look like this bad person, I got tell you today upon the live here, things we wanna never know. Zin? Alright. So, I have people like Junior King and two other people in my life when we will reason with on a level about things, right? Certain life making decision, we reason with Junior King, we reason with Royal Entertainment, we reason with Mr. B, my brethren, and me reason with the Rev, where I'm done, I have to hide that. As even before, I do nothing at all. I have people who I consult with because there's no great king without great advisors. See? So I don't want to feel like say, me as a youth to just get up and run up and do be a fucker. See? Alright. Why me I do that live here now is because me literally tired for help people and the same people them come round come diss me dog. When me say that now, me I talk about Flexx in the complex. See? Reason, I got tell you the reason why me I come today and talk about Flexx again. Because me tired. Mumsel, I got reason with her about me I got give her a chance to come speak the truth. Me I got give her a chance because she said, remember me block her, you know, off her original page. But she see him one say, Zine, she see him one say, she have a next page where she follow me after. So if she want to join the live after that page there, and instead of them attack and me attack, the two of we can talk one time on the live. You understand what I say? So me I say, if she want, come join the live, come here she say a whole heap of thing, but she left out a whole heap of thing. So would I like, since them bring it public and it's a public thing, make we no, my black mom's have her original page, but she have her next page over here. See me, a one page me black. So what me I say is, me can't take the talk back a thing. And you see everything we're gonna discuss today, me have witnesses where me can join to the live. If them say a lie me I tell, me can join them to the live, they witness them, and they witness them declare. Me I got show on it today, say me, Foota hype, every single one of them, we say Foota ungrateful and in bad mind and in my pussy. Me do things for them, we change them life. Them no do nothing for me, we change my life and make my life better. Me do things where make them life change and better. And I gonna prove it today. Any one of them want forward. Any one of my enemy them where you hear burn me out and say them not like Foota. Tell them join the life today from the Conscience, the Movado, the Flexx, the Mums, any one of them. Tell them join the life today. Make we settle all of this who is bad mind and who is real and who is that and who is that. Me not have to unblock Mumsel. She watch this right now. Me not have to unblock her. She's watching this right now. And she not have to watch it, but she can watch it on the next phone. She have her business page, can join the live. Zine? See it? Them come with the fake page. Foota hype, you need a tongue ring and chat too much. That now gonna make me stop when me I say today. Now people, why me come on live today? On a Sunday, and I gonna address this. Me get a message from a vlogger. Zine? The vlogger screenshot. No, this is not a war. One talk about love and unity. This is not a war. Remember social media depending on. So we address it on social media. Remember Flexx not see me and lick me in my face. Mumsel not see me and lick me in my face. Nobody not do me in a physical harm. So me not think for doing nobody in a physical harm. Then bring it to social media. So I'm going to deal with it on social media. Right? Today, I do my yard. I see a vlogger, or blogger, what you call it. DM me. Zine, I show me say, them me tell Flexx if you join the live, right? Flexx I got in return, said to the woman, say, me not straight. And me a pussy or whatever because him booked me for him party. More than one party too. And then me didn't know say me a pussy against him and make him book me. But I'm asking the people, when somebody books somebody, you have to pay them, right? When you book somebody, is when you put on a deposit and pay them. And them obligated for pull up at your party, right? Right? No, would I like Flexx or Mumsel or Mumsel can lend him her phone because him block me. Or him can unblock me and join the live. Flexx, have you ever paid me for a party? We not talk about foreign. Because foreign I know. See, make we talk about Jamaica over the 20 years when we know you. Over the 20 years when we know you, Flexx. Have you ever paid me a single dime for anything in life? You ever pay me for your party? When you tell people say you book me where? Please show your cash up, show your Zelle. Tell them how much money you pay me now. Please, me I beg you. Tell me where you say you book Foota and I give people the impression say you book Foota and Foota style you. Tell the people them which day, which date, which bank, which roadside, which will you ever give me $1? When I always me help out you youth. You booking Foota hype for your party can't help Foota hype Flexx. You're no bigger than Foota hype. Foota hype playing for Flexx is giving Flexx party a good look. I was contributing to you so you can eat a food. Remember that good. Just remember that good that you have never paid me for anything. You have never, you don't have it. From Jamaica days, you ever pay me for one party? You ever pay me for play one party ever in your life? Just let's join the live. I want you to join the live. We don't want to cuss and be ignorant and make it look dark like we are war. See? I know woman caused this, Tina. This is not what woman caused. This is what people want to please the internet and come attack in favor of the crowd swinging their way. See? Them want the crowd swing them way for say them are the good youth and Foota are the pussy. Cause Foota this. You tell people say you book me. What book me mean? Flexx, you never booked me yet in a life. Never ever. You don't have it. Me boss before. You never boss. So let's not even say who boss first. Everything where you achieve run Mavado. No me boss Mavado, brother. So the same way of my strength you receive. Tell the people, because we're going to go through all of history, you know. Tell the people them, one of the biggest arguments me and my father have, if I'm not true, me I defend you. Make a reason, and you have to join the live and come tell me when me I tell the lie. You understand? Boom. You have a youth named Deviant. A Karma. Zane? Make a reason now. People, nothing what I can tell you on the line. Sweep on my heart. You have a youth named Deviant. Have a business place for all up road. Like when you go up to stadium, there, so. Have a Karma. The link make with Deviant. Zane? Deviant comes Superman. It's like Flexx go check him and him and Flexx work out a deal. But an under turn here. All I remember Flexx with a white under. One turn here Jamaica. Zine, Predator have the grey accord. Flexx have the white turn here. Zine, Deviant want to tell Flexx say, yo, 11 Movada dub and me gear the car. At them time, the Movada charge about 700 to a grand for a dub. Movada hot like fire. Zine? But that's what I'm saying now, people. When I'm out, no, me not trouble Flexx. He might tell bloggers saying book me. I want to know which stage in our life Flexx ever have money if book me. Zine? So I'm going to say now, make a reason. Because today is Sunday, I have time. And I don't have to sugarcoat my story and I plan my story, just the truth. J.A., you over here say, deal with situation after the internet. You never tell Flexx that? You never tell Flexx that, baby? So don't tell me that now when me attack. See, J.A. the people, I can add J.A. to the live. Because I have some story too, you know. I can add J.A. to the live. If I'm willing, because I have Flexx apart, so let me add J.A. to the live. And ask him who to get paid for your dance. Because he's a truth man, you know. I'm not tell lie, you know. He's a man of truth. J.A.
Foota, boy, you can't say me that tell him. Me tell him the same thing I tell him. Just tell him.
J.A. Flexx book me for dancer?
I mean, book you for the party still.
Okay, what me tell you, sir? What did I tell you?
Huh?
What me did tell you, sir?
You say I choose me, do it still. I'm not gonna lie. You say I choose me, do it. You say, I really, if I did just like say, wouldn't do it, you see me? But you say, I can't do it. You see me?
You're not show me our vibes. You're not show me our vibes. I'm say, blood clot. If I have vibes, I'm worse, I gotta do it.
Yeah.
And the vibes, they're not on fiend side. So if me I fight him, who to do it? You understand what I said, bro, guys? No. What me urge for a J.A. Come remember we don't talk about this and the youth and done with the youth, you know. Yeah. Why if you tell people saying book me?
But here we go on now. As me just said take it off our internet, because here we go on. Right now the time is a situation with you and him sensitive, you know. And him hurt, you know, you have to look upon it in a sense.
No, but me hurt too.
Huh? Yeah, me get that. Me get that. Me get say 200 hurt. That's why me even say, yo, you know, say, you know, just deal with it and fight.
Yeah, but why the lies? Why the lies? Why the lies? Let's be big man and be real. Why the lies? When I tell lie, go and book for J.A. I know me not get $1 for the dance. Me come there, I buy champagne, how much bottle of champagne, and me not drink. Me not drink. But me come there, me know a phone nothing, and me still spend our money.
Yeah.
I'm bring my friend them, I will spend money. So when I can talk about book, I know me not get a cent, not even gas money, and I don't feel no way. Because of you with it. And you tell me, say, you're max up a thing for rare? And me say, alright. And me come, J.A. me reach there and play and work and do what me do and cut. When me I cut my ask for anything, sir?
No.
So why would the man tell people, say, him book me, J.A. Flexx cannot book nobody, Flexx cannot book me?
In probably just say, yo, you play the party, though, you know?
No, he never said that.
He's giving me, him not give me a still.
He said, book me for more than one party. I get the impression like, Foota, because me I spend money with Foota and I book him and him a go around me and I style.
I don't know about the party them before, because enough party you have Flexx supposed to do, you know, so before.
No, Flexx never appear. J.A. Me can tell her this, me can put on my gathering, take care of that shit. Flexx has never paid me for a party in my life. I always me I give Flexx a strength. Yeah. And this party where I walk, I talk to see him, but moves in life, but him book me. Nigga, you can't book me. Foota try help you all when me in a deal. All when me in a deal, me involved in a thing so you can eat. So all Foota bad mind.
Remember, say, it bigger than the party or something here, that situation.
No, but you know, I get to me, I say, even though it's bigger than that,
yeah.
I am not telling any lies on Flexx. Why am I going to tell lie for me to blogger? Because I'm one, them right up thing out there to make it look like Foota or a bad mind, wicked boy. Me not appreciate that.
I don't know what's that.
Flexx,
I don't know what's that.
you get caught between two friendship, you know.
Yeah.
Because you're a friend.
Flexx a friend. I'm sorry, you know, we can't do so much Foota, you see me?
No, but watch this now. Watch this now. As a friend, when it boils down to the truth, it doesn't matter who are friend. You have something in the truth.
Yeah. But you ask me if I'm answer you. You see me?
No, I'm not saying you lie. I'm not saying you lie. Yeah. You are not the problem. You are the person who has the solution. Because you know, so me tell us, me not too in a Flexx them because when me there at jail, them not look. And then when me come out, them a style it like them care about me. So we trick the crowd and tell them so me get deport. Once them find out so me still the American, nobody not about Foota again. Me not there at jail. You know what I'm saying? I think on my books.
Yeah, me feel like that this me feel like say yo, cause before the whole of this story and none of this thing never
who really. Well, let me ask you, Jay. Who go public with it?
Yeah?
Who go public with it?
Who first do a live?
Mumsel. She do 3 live. So all them want blame Foota now for it public. And who not hurt on herself? Me never tell nobody that 15 years what a thing. I mean never tell you that, Jay. I mean you're clear.
Yeah,
so why them run go social media? No, them look on social media try make me look bad. After me help them in a life, them never help me yet, Jay.
Yeah.
Flexx never help me in a life yet, mother. We got studio, you drop me places, driving in your car, because you alone did have car. Me give you props. But you gotta come and tell people about your book me. Made a whole argument about dance. J.A. I mean, J.A. this part.
Your Flexx are forward from far, you know. You see me?
Yeah, but you're a liar. J.A. you're a liar.
No, listen, me know, me never use a you to talk it, or you see it, or you see me, exactly how you know it. You see me? But what me I say is, your Flexx, a friend, you see me? Like, from longer time, I say, once you know, was that close as of a friend, when you're supposed to can sit down and have a reasoning, like,
exactly, me agree with you. But watch this now. Remember, say, when him hurt me never vex with him, me no go social media, me no do nothing. Me hold it like a thugs, I will keep it internal.
Yeah, but then you'd consider, you'd have to feel situation more sensitive though. You know?
No, it's not sensitive, it's worse.
It's worse because yes, me.
Him get what him do to me in a tenfold. And I gotta beat him and me, because me never know the youth of mine either. But me don't want to talk about the youth, J.A. Me don't have the youth. The youth I don't mind, nothing can change about that. That's gone through the window. Yeah. What I'm saying is, why are you telling vloggers and bloggers that you book me to party and you book me too much time? I mean a pussy, because me I take your bookings and yet still, me not like you, I mean you never book me yet, Flexx.
He probably attack as if you had with the same venue all the time. I say, no,
we're not talking about booking when you book some. When you book